Hey you guys, so my Buxy Charm November unboxing. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start that over. So the first thing I got is the Tasha Denona Peak Palette. So this retails for $48. Here are 4 of the colors, as you can see. I didn't do the last one, but I did the other 4. So next I have the Vinaceous Snow Mushroom Water Serum. And it looks like this. Let me take it out the box. It retails for $62. And it's a little bitty bottle. It looks like this. And it's a little dropper. Like so. $62. I really don't have much to say about this. Next we have the Kush Waterproof Mascara. Here is the box. Oh, it has tape on it. And it's big and blue. And it has notes on it. Okay. It just smells like a regular mascara. And this retails for $24. Okay. So next we have the lip oil. And it looks like this. It has plastic on it. I guess you're supposed to do it like this. So this retails for $11. It's just a lip oil. And it looks like this. So next we have the Alamar Cosmetics Primer. And it is $15. It's in a little thing. And it looks like this. So it just looks like this. 45 pounds. So that is everything in my box that I got. But I also received an item. So the item I received was a gift. Was the Illinois The Queen palette. And it looks like this. Oh, really? So basically that is everything I got. I'll add everything up so you can see what I got. Put all this. I'm putting everything in this chest bag. Alright, so moving on to, I'm counting, counting how much it retails for. 48, 62, 24. So I will be back with the total, and the variation, and all that other stuff. Alright, okay. So the value of my box is 160. I added everything. And the variation is number 13. And it is Bucky Charm Harvest. So yeah, I will leave a picture up so you can see what my box looks like. Alright y'all, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.